Hi, you guys. I'm Rea Silva, professional makeup artist and creator of Beauty Blender. Today, I'm going to be answering some questions that IPSY sent me. Let's get to it. Question number 1. You worked on some majorly iconic movies and TV shows in the 90s. Hello, Moesha. Yes. What is a 90s makeup trend that you hope doesn't ever come back in style? Okay, the pencil-thinned, over-plucked spaghetti strip eyebrow. That, and also, you know what I really did so much of? Foiled, super metallic, kind of like white, frosty lipstick. No bueno. Fill in the blank. I freaked out when I saw Madonna using a beauty blender. Madonna being everything to me when I was growing up. The fact that she had a beauty blender was really incredibly, ultimately awesome. You've got such a beautiful and diverse background. How does it inspire your approach to beauty? I am Mexican, Spanish, Indian, Portuguese, Irish, and probably a million other things that you can throw in there. My mother is Latina, and her 2 sisters were fashionistas. My whole life I spent watching them plan their outfits, plan their hair, plan their makeup, and it really influenced everything about the way I viewed beauty and the way I viewed the process of beauty. How did you come up with the super cute teardrop shape, and why did you decide on the iconic pink? Basically, I'm rebellious and they told me I couldn't do that color. So I said, guess what? That's the color I want to do. Also, I thought that bringing the bright pink, any kind of bright color, to the most used and most recognized beauty tool in the world would be a very big difference to the marketplace. And I really wanted Beauty Blender to stand out, and I wanted you to be able to see it across the room, across the store. I came up with Beauty Blender as a solution to a problem I had while I was department heading this show called Girlfriends. It was the first show shot and broadcast in high def. It was a big departure going from film to high definition. Suddenly you could see everything. So I had to create a new way to do makeup, and Beauty Blender was what I came up with. Mystery question. Okay. What's the weirdest thing you've seen someone use their Beauty Blender for? Oh my God. I don't even know if I can say it. I found out that my Beauty Blender was being used on set, a certain type of set, as a birth control tool. No bueno. Okay, next question. Show us your favorite Beauty Blender hack. I think I need a beauty blender. You know when you put deodorant on and then you put the shirt over your head and then you got lines of deodorant everywhere? A dry beauty blender disappears like magic. One of the girls that works with me says she drinks a lot of wine, but when she drips the wine on her shirt, she uses her beauty blender to soak it up. I have not tried this, but I hear it works wonders. Thank you so much for watching me answer these questions. I hope that they were helpful. If you have any questions, I'll be looking for the comments down below. If you have any great uses that you know of Beauty Blender, I will also be looking forward to hearing about those. Talk to you soon.